Technology leaders from across the world have gathered in Bangalore for a milestone that places India firmly on Blum-Novotest innovation map. With the inauguration of their new Competence Center, India becomes the fourth country to host first advanced manufacturing hub.
Blum-Novotest Competence Center India opening its new premises next to Bengaluru airport. Third one in the world, and again here many leaders of the Indian machine tool industry, of our customers here in India, and from visitors from all around the world. So we're happy to be here. We are going to work together on a bright future for the Indian economy and providing the best solutions which are made by products we use from India and with engineering skills from all around the world.
Blum-Novotest Competence Center is a commitment towards the Indian manufacturing industry, and we have seen our machine tool OEMs coming over here and looking around what is that we have installed to serve the industry. This is a competence center which is for the young engineers to come here, engage, learn and enrich their knowledge. The unified solution that we have created for the manufacturing industry would provide them the machining technology, software technology, measuring technology, and all put together, like how we can improve our manufacturing process. So this is an attempt, and then we invite all our customers to come and experience. We have already seen a big success, and even today we have a lot of customers coming to our center while appreciating the effort that we have taken. We would be conducting more seminars and open houses in the future to come as well, and definitely we would like to pass this effort of creating the solution to the industry.
After 15 years of Blum-Novotest here, we decided to increase our activities to perform much better than we already did in the past. With a team of 39 employees and colleagues here in India, we have built up a strong team to support our customers, to sell our products, to do marketing, but not only that, to offer as well an excellent technical service to our customers, which makes it easier for them to use our products in their machining processes. And in this competence center here, in this new premise, we are offering not only sales and service, but as well a technology center with a multiple number of different machines where we show our solutions, where we use different controls to offer that and to train that to our operators. We are having partners as well here, which shows the necessary accessories that are essential for producing on an extremely high level. And therefore, India is a futuring market for us, and we are right in time to improve ourselves and with a value for our customers.
The Indian market is developing very well. It has a great future in our opinion, and we see that future, and that's why we are investing a lot of money here in the market. The future is in manufacturing, and we are having the right products for quality manufacturing, for manless manufacturing, for very productive manufacturing. So it's our contribution for the further growth of Blum Company and also for the further growth of Indian market.